Hi everybody, Mrs. Angel here from Ready to Learn. Are you ready to learn? Today we're doing part 2 of the letter O. So now we're learning how to write the letter O. Okay, so you're going to need your whiteboard or your pad and pen, and we'll start straight away. So when we're writing the letter O, we need to think about where we start. It's one of those letters that starts in the middle because none of the letters start at the bottom. Some letters start at the top, but many letters start in the middle, and this is one of them. So if I just point to the middle and we go around like a circle. Okay, when we did the letter C, we went half a circle. Now for the O, we're going right round the circle, okay, to make a full circle. Right, here we go. Let's have a look at how we do it up here on my special paper. Okay, I'm still going to start in the middle and I'm going to put a little dot there. Okay, because that's where I'm going to start. I'm going to go right round a circle. There it is. It's very easy, isn't it? Okay, if you'd like to get your pad or whiteboard ready, we will start. Okay, so I'm going to start here. And I'm going to hold my pencil a long way down. But when you're writing, you need to hold it this close. Can you see how I'm holding my pencil? My pen? Okay, I have 2 fingers holding the top and all my other fingers are underneath. Oh, that's clever, isn't it? Okay, but in my case, so that you can see, I'm going to be holding it back a bit. Okay, here we go. So we're going to go whole circle, whole circle, whole circle. Have you started doing it on your whiteboard yet? Okay, I'm going to finish that line. Okay, you ready? Whole circle, whole circle, whole circle, whole circle. Have a look at the ones you've done, and if you could just have a look, are they sitting on that line? Are they sitting on the line? If you don't have lines, you might like to, next time when you come, you might like to have some lines drawn up that your mum or your dad or the teacher can do before we start. And then you will be able to get yours sitting on the line. Let's do another line of those. Oh my goodness, here it is. So here's the top, here's the top, here's the bottom, and now we need to be in the middle. Okay, are you ready? Okay, we're going to do quite a few of them. So you practice and I'll practice too. Okay, ready, go. Whole circle, whole circle, whole circle, whole circle, whole circle, whole circle, whole circle. Excellent. I hope you had fun doing those. It's quite an easy letter to do, isn't it? Okay, we've got our worksheet here. And now we're going to put our name on the worksheet in case it falls down and we can't find it. Okay, so put our name at the top. Put your name, I'll put my name. Put your name at the top, put your name at the top. Just in case we lose it, put your name at the top. And there's my name at the top. And so here we go, we're going to carry on. We've got a line of O's to do, and then you will carry on doing those. Then down here, we have to do them ourselves. Okay, so it's a bit smaller now. So now we need to work very carefully. Okay, are you ready? Off we go. Whole circle, whole circle, whole circle, whole circle, whole circle, whole circle, whole circle. Okay, now we've got 2 more lines to go, but you'll do those a little bit later. And by the time you've practiced all of those letter O's, you will be ready to do it yourself. So let's have one last practice. We'll do a few more along that line. Okay, let's go. Whole circle, whole circle, whole circle, whole circle. Be sure to start on the middle line. Don't be tempted to start at the bottom, okay, because none of the letters start at the bottom. Okay, last bit. Whole circle, whole circle. And then you would do the next line underneath that. When you have finished it, you get to colour in the octopus that's there and the lovely orange. And then I'm sure your teacher or your mum or dad or whoever's helping you will tell you what to do with it next. Okay, just before we go, let's just do our orange octopus. Are you ready? After 2. 1, 2. Orange octopus, oh, oh, oh. Orange octopus, oh, oh, oh. Orange octopus, oh, oh, oh. This is the sound that O makes. My name is O, my sound is O, O, O. Right, that's the end of the letter O. So the next letter is a little bit of a surprise. It's the letter S. You're thinking, does that go with it? Well, I've popped the letter S in next. Okay, so looking forward to seeing you again, and come join me on Ready to Learn. This is Mrs. Angel from Ready to Learn.